Alright, good morning guys. Welcome to the vlog. We made it to Scarborough yesterday and we are in our brand new Airbnb for the next 2 nights, 3 nights total. Scarborough is a little north of Perth and we're right alongside of the beach. So when you shoot the drone up and you go a little bit west, you pass 1 street, you pass 2 street and you see the beach right over there, and it's an absolute beautiful place. I love being 4 or 5 minute walk from the beach, and we are in a 3-bedroom property through VIP stays. And let me show you a quick tour. So this is the master bedroom, which has a couple closets over there, and right behind me you have the master bathroom. So let me take you in there. You got a little toilet, you got a little vanity area with the sink, and you got a stand-up shower. Now walking this way, boop, 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 you have a bathroom. So it is 2-bathroom property, which is nice. Dustin has his own. You got a tub and a shower in this one, so that's kind of nice. And a sink, of course. And then walking this way, you got Dustin, who's getting changed. And here's his bed, so he has his own separate bed. It's on the complete opposite side of the house of me. And then you walk in this way and you have the 3rd bedroom, which has a couple bunk beds.
So many aerobics in here, so many activities. Do step class, it's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
And a baby's crib. Walking out of the 3rd bedroom, this way to the right now, you have a beautiful open kitchen. Right back there, you also have a washer so you can do some laundry, which is really nice. Right out there, you have a beautiful outdoor seating area. So they put up a table, there's a couple chairs, and there's plants here, one with nature. This is the kitchen table, also known as my workspace. And then they have they have a massive DVD collection, and this is like DVDs from back in the day. So you got like Borat, Liar Liar, you got Dodgeball, you got some DVDs you could watch, and some books to read. Here's the front of the house, and this is like the living space. So you got a giant TV over here, and you got a giant sofa couch. So I got everything set up by VIP Stays, and it's awesome having an Airbnb. It's super nice having a giant house before we leave to Cambodia. I'm able to spread out all my gear, which I absolutely love to do, and repack for Cambodia, which we leave on Sunday. We have 1 layover though in Kuala Lumpur for a day, and we'll be in Cambodia Monday. But today's a big day. We're gonna be running around Perth. I have something huge set up. As you guys might know, I'm a big tennis player, so I'm gonna be playing tennis in Australia this morning. And it's kind of cool, after driving around for a little bit, they have grass courts everywhere. So if we get lucky today, we're gonna be able to play on some grass courts, get a good little workout in, and I'm thinking we're gonna go get some acai bowls right after tennis. So let's get right to that. And I'm strapped in, good to go. We are gonna grab our gear and we are gonna get going in North Beach tennis. Locked up. And this is the thing about Australia, the driving seat's on the right side, the lanes and everything's on the left side. So this, if you're not really used to it, which I wasn't, you gotta go really slow at first. We're about 10 minutes away. We're south of North Beach tennis. We're gonna drive about 10-15 minutes north, and we're gonna get a good hit in. And one last thing, the blinker's on the right side instead of the left side. So whenever I drive, I always hit the washer. This thing.
Gotta get used to it, man.
Bizarro world, I feel like. The North Beach Tennis Club. So the beach is super close to us. I think it's west just a few blocks, and we're about to get our hit on. There's grass courts. Oh. If you're a tennis fan, you would know how excited I am to see grass courts. Maybe not in Australia, it seems like they're everywhere, but we got some grass courts right away. This looks like they got some ladies doubles going on here. Welcome to the Wimbledon grounds. The sacred grass courts. Renee, welcome to the vlog. This is one of the pros here at North Beach Tennis Center. We really appreciate the tennis and everything. Hopefully you don't kick my butt too badly today. And good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so these are the courts we're playing on. I'm gonna close this door right now. Yeah, these are some synthetic courts. So the grass courts are over there. They're working on the grass courts so we can't play on them. But we're playing this synthetic court. I don't know how to bounce. I haven't played on synthetic in a while. But let's get our tennis on. Still break a day. So after like 10 minutes of hitting, you can see how out of shape I am. I'm like trying to remind myself to breathe on the court. That's an essential out here in tennis. I think in life in general. It's Dustin's turn on the court now. And Renee's one of the best pros out here, so if you're looking for any teaching, anything at all in regards to tennis, ask for Renee. She is the one to go to. Well, Renee, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. If we're ever back in Perth, I'll let you know. Play some tennis, head on out, get some food. We'll keep in touch for sure.
Yeah.
So, oh, that was an awesome little hit. We didn't get to jump on the grass, but it's okay. I got my exercise in, and now we're gonna get some food. Got it now? Good to go, yep. So we made it down to Fremantle. This is essentially the place that we left a couple days ago to Rottnest Island. It's like 2 blocks that way, but we're about to get our acai bowls on. Ever since Bali, I just keep craving acai bowls, and after tennis, after a good workout, super healthy to have. So let's get some acai bowls right now. Oh, here they are. And it's like in a coconut bowl too.
Yeah,
I love it. Cheers. Yeah, so the acai bowls weren't that bad. They weren't the best I've ever had. It had a little too much nuts, but still kind of filling after you played some tennis with no food in you. Now we're just walking around Fremantle. And yeah, it's one of the port cities out here in Perth. Still a part of Perth. I think we're gonna head back into the car now. We're told to check out Kings Park. It's a great place to just relax, maybe shoot the drone up, and just chill out, especially on a nice day like this. So I think it's about a 25-minute drive. We're gonna head to Kings Park right now. Hopefully we don't get distracted with the shopping down here. Oh, stores for days here. So we got about 27 minutes and we should make it to Kings Park. The Botanical Garden toilets. And welcome to Kings Park. This is actually one of the largest inner city parks in the entire world. And it's visited by over 6 million people per year. So you got some people relaxing in the park, picnics. This is one of the best parks just to relax. There's a lot of activities they say here, and just chill out here at Kings Park. And remember, anything can kill you when you're in Australia. So don't run in the bushes and don't play in the bushes. That's what someone told me. I'm not sure why I'd be in the bushes anyway. Oh, wow, look at this view. So this is Swan River, it looks like. Shows the points of interest. Oh, downtown Perth is right over there. This is kind of cool. It shows you what each building is. Not each building, but it shows you. It shows
most of them, yeah.
Yeah, it does show some of the buildings. And so it's about that time. Let's shoot the drone up and show you how big this park is. Alright, what an awesome drone flight here in Kings Park. You could see how big the park is. I also shot the drone out to Perth, the city, kind of. Didn't want to get too close to the buildings, but this place is absolutely beautiful. It's so peaceful, it's so relaxing. Some people came up and watched me shoot the drone up and they were curious how big the drone was, so I took the drone back down for them. And yeah, all happy days here in Perth.
So we're gonna go back to the house, get some food. It's about 2:15 local right now, so we'll get a late lunch and then walk down to the beach, get the sunset in before we go to our Filipino buffet tonight.
Catch a little sunset before dinner, absolutely. It's so clean. That's one thing I'm really surprised about, is how clean it is out here and how upkept it is. So that's something I pride about this park. But yeah, time to get back and make some grilled cheese sandwiches and catch a sunset. All right, good morning guys. Not really, it's the evening. Didn't really take a nap, did a little work of course, in bed. Was trying to fall asleep for a hot second. And yeah, we are heading to the beach right now. We're gonna try to catch a sunset right now. And then here is the entrance of the beach. Look at the sky, Aussie skies. Absolutely beautiful. Woo! Rottnest Island's like right out there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Unfortunately, it's like the winter right now for Australia, so it's not too cold. It's around 60 degrees, I'd say. I'm dressed in my sweatpants, hoodie. I think Dustin might be getting in the ocean. We'll see. Oh, this is our spot. Woo! Not too bad. And what we didn't expect, we experienced one of the most incredible sunsets we have ever seen. Definitely on my top 3 list. We ended up relaxing, catching the sunset, enjoying the moment, and headed north for about 30 minutes to dinner. So after a 28-minute drive, we made it to Victoria Park. Our restaurant is right around the corner, and we're about to get some Filipino buffet. All right, House of Pinoy, here it is. Pleasure to meet you, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I hate wasting food. If you waste food, I don't know if we're friends. All right, so let's see what they got here. And this is a Filipino place. Fried chicken. Oh my God. Well, this is gonna be so good. So I got some rice, I got some minced pork, I got some chicken, I got some broccoli, and I got some chicken skewers. This is plate number 1. Let's see how many plates I could do. Plate number 2. Bye guys. I was just kidding guys. Food coma didn't kick in yet. I'm alive. Oh my God, the House of Pinoy was so good. What'd you think of the food?
I'm gonna have trouble walking back to the car. Stuffed. Yeah. 2 plates and dessert.
So good. Yeah, absolutely some of the best Filipino food I've ever had, honestly. And it was just so filling. Now we're gonna head back from Victoria Park all the way back to Scarborough and head back to our Airbnb. I think we're gonna chill out for the rest of the night. So let's jump in the car. We have a 28-minute drive and let's head back. All right guys, so we made it back to our Airbnb for the night. I think we're gonna have a really relaxing night, do some edits, do a little work, and prep for Cambodia. We're actually leaving Cambodia in 2 days, so tomorrow's our last full day here in Perth, and I think it's gonna be a relaxing one. Besides that, today was an awesome, awesome day out here in Perth, from playing tennis to catching one of the most beautiful sunsets I probably could have ever imagined to see, and it was such an awesome week out here in Perth. Again, it was a really relaxing week prepping for Cambodia and then Thailand right after, and we got a heck of an adventure ahead of us for the next few months. And yeah, it's been an awesome, relaxing week out here in Perth, especially staying at VIP stays. It's been such a comfortable stay with VIP stays, staying in 2 of their Airbnbs, the first one being in the city, the second one being 2 blocks from the beach. So it's been an amazing time out here in Perth, really relaxing, and we are looking forward to heading to Cambodia in 2 days. Tomorrow we're probably gonna chill out again. We're gonna be meeting up with the Airbnb hosts. We're gonna get some dinner, play some pool and ping pong, and really just relax, do some laundry, and again, prep for Cambodia. If you guys are brand new to this channel, welcome to this channel. Definitely hit the like button on this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. I have 20 Bali vlogs out, so if you want to scroll back, check them all out, besides the 2 Australia vlogs, and there'll be a ton more Cambodia vlogs coming out. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for the Cambodia vlogs that'll be coming out this week. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next vlog. Cheers, guys.